Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log out from Facebook Messenger on Android. So first of all, if you open your Messenger application, if you tap on your profile icon and if you scroll down, you can see there is no option to log out at Messenger, you can see. So how should you do? You just need to go to your phone settings like this, and then you need to scroll down and tap on this app management. Now click on this app list. Now from here you need to find out Messenger. You can find out like this, or you can search for Messenger like this. Now tap to open it. Then you have to tap on this storage and cache. Now you have to first clear the cache, and now just tap on this clear the storage and tap on OK. Now if you open your Messenger application, you need to wait a little bit because you just clear the cache and data. And now you can see they have no option. Your Messenger is already logged out. So that's it for this video. That's how you can log out from Facebook Messenger on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.